Hey everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. I've decided I'm going to be a zombie because puns. And yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. So here I am using the MAC Basic B palette and using the shade Big White Lie. And I'm going around my eyes with that to make them look very sunken and very dead. I chose this color because it's not too dark. I think it's a more natural look. I mean, you know, I'm going for a zombie. I shouldn't be looking natural, but you know, I'm just going by what I know. So I'm just using this to kind of murk around my eyes. Words are hard. And I'm pulling faces. So that's basically eyes done. Very easy. Now I will be contouring and using the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette and using this kind of grayish brown. I'm using this color because I think it looks a little bit more dead than a regular brown, and that is the goal of this entire look, is to look dead. So I'm just going ham, and yeah, you know, go wild guys, go wild. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Signature eyeliner in the shade Burgundy to create some cuts around my face, because if you have been dead for a while you may be losing some of your skin, or it could be from clawing your way up from the beyond and you may have caught your skin on a few things. I don't know, you tell me your backstory. I don't know your zombie story, but I'm just putting them around my face because I thought they looked pretty cool, and I'm adding this one to my mouth because I'm extra and I thought it looked cool. I don't really have a specific placement for these. I just put them wherever because, you know, nobody is perfect. I just thought of places that will get a lot of view. So now I'm using the Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, Monster Mattes, just to bruise up the areas that have been cut. I don't know if this is a medical thing, but I just think it looks cool. So I'm going with the purple, green and brown. So I'm starting off with the purple, as you can see here, and using a very kind of fluffy brush because I want it to be pretty subtle, I guess. Subtle, maybe? Kind of subtle? I don't know. Yeah, a big bruise on my forehead because why not? I just think it looks cool, to be honest. So after that I'm going in with the brown and then again with the green, and after that I'm just gonna blend it all out because yeah, it just makes it look a little bit more natural to me. And I know zombies aren't natural, but you know, you do you. Now I'm going over my lips with the concealer that's being shown upside down. Nice work. So it's a Maybelline concealer and it is in the shade Fair Claire because I'm very fair. And that's just to make my lips skin-ish. Words. And then I'm going over that with the Chulsonga Dual Lip Tint and Gloss in the shade Velvet, and I just think this looks a little bit like blood, which is why I chose it. I didn't think it was dark enough though, so I did go over it with a darker burgundy eyeshadow and then went over that with the lip tint again because we want to look a little gory. I used the foundation concealer a little bit more just to roughen the edges, and then I messed up my eyebrows because again, you are not going to come from the grave with perfect eyebrows, and there I am using eyeliner to make a nosebleed. Nice. I didn't think my eyes were dark enough, so I went over them again with a darker color, but only in the centers, really messily, and yeah, that is the end. And now I am messing up my hair because after a 100-year nap, your hair might be a little messy. Plus it adds to the effect. I don't know, I think it looks cool. And once again I'm pulling faces. That's embarrassing. Nice. And yeah, that's my zombie makeup. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comments down below what you're going as for Halloween, if you have tried this, and what you think of it. Subscribe if you're new and want to stay updated, and remember to click that bell button so that you are notified whenever I post new content. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.